Here's another fun non-alcoholic cocktail from the book, Trader Vic's Tiki Party. It's my kid's favorite too, I think. So 2 ounces of orange juice. We're gonna put this into a blender because this is gonna be kind of a blended drink. Follow that up with 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Now I did mention, like, I typically don't freshly squeeze all this stuff. I have kids, they drink a ton. So I just, canned, bottled, whatever I can find around the house. And then 2 ounces of cranberry juice joins the blender party. And then finally, 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Squirt that in there. This stuff makes it delicious. Reminds me of a hurricane, All right, you're gonna add about 1.5 cups of crushed ice into the blender. And then you're gonna wanna be careful not to overblend this, but kind of pulse blend it, for 5 to 10 seconds or so. It's kind of an icy, creamy mixture. Dump that into your favorite glass, and you're gonna have something that your kids and adults alike are gonna love. Till next time, Jeff at Tiki Drinks at Home.